checking out Campbell. Hi! Did you get out of your little sleeper? How'd you get out of there? How'd you get out of there? Aren't you cold? Reading a book? Little sugar. Hey. Oh, you're reading a book. That's so sweet. Let's get you up for the day. You slept till 11:30. Crazy baby.
Ooh.
That's awesome for Mommy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Campbell. Is that your buddy? Bye.
This is